a colleague from London who came over here now 18 months ago. And I was trying to explain it to him when we first came. And I was like, look, the issue isn't deals. There are bajillions of deals. The issue is prioritization.
Mm-hmm.
The issue is, where do you have a right to win? The issue is, how do you win, and where do you focus? And, what's interesting is today I've had 3 inbound, kind of things. Yesterday I had 4. It's just you can run in a certain, like you can chase your tail forever. Yeah, exactly. It's like, oh, let's chase that squirrel. Let's chase this one. It's like you just go crazy.
Yeah.
And I think the thing that's kind of interesting about that is that, a banker will call up, and I don't mean to say anything negative. Bankers are not negative. It's just like, this is the way it plays out. It's, banker calls up and says, oh, I've got this great, $100 million revenue software company, great margins, SaaS, good retention rates, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
What do you think? And what's going through our head a lot of times, and I'm sure every other private equity person feels this way to some extent. It's like, it's a great company, or how's this, at least as presented, undiligenced, as presented, it looks like a great company.
Yeah.
But that could be very different from being a great opportunity for me.
Right.
Because every other person out there is going to think it's a great company, and all, 50 of us who they send books to are going to be bidding against each other on it.
Mm-hmm.
And, am I going to be the guy who advocates to my partners that we pay more than all those other folks do for a really nice asset that's being run in an auction that's being reported on the paper, and like we have strategics and all, and it's just, you're just like, even just look at the expected value of the time investment on some of that, and you're like, I have like a 1% chance of winning, a 2%, and you're just like, and I'm gonna have to spend how many hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, to diligence this thing to provide a final right. And so that's not the issue in Europe. In Europe, there are few opportunities, and it's more about like lining them up years in advance, or talking to them proactively, or going to Copenhagen or wherever else to talk to them, meet them, and explain why they should think about, U.S. money, or what they want to achieve in the United States, and how we can help them do that. And in the U.S. market, it's the opposite. There's like millions of things to look at. Its question is, how do we triage?
Yeah.
How do we decide how to take these thousands of things at the top of our funnel and figure out which ones to spend time on?
Do you feel like large funds, like you've been forced to move down market like significantly to find some of the inefficiencies and stuff? Because it sounds like it's just being the bigger deals that match your profile are just so well shopped now, like you said.